everyone, this is Jeff Crumrine here at Rich & Sons. Today we got an awesome new floor plan. It's a 355 Cougar. This is a 2021 model. 2 awnings on here, so plenty of awning coverage. You got the nice solid steps going in. You're going to have 4-point auto level, so really easy to set this thing up. We'll take a peek through the interior. So kind of a couples unit. You got on the slide out here, you're gonna have the table and chairs, theater seating. You have heat, massage, LED lights, and the cup holders, stuff like that. And then you got the couch on the back that folds into a bed. And then across from the theater seating, you got your entertainment system, fireplace, DVD player, TV, all that good stuff. Lots of counter space in here, lots of storage. Awesome floor plan. You're probably thinking I got a nice big pantry storage behind me, which I do. And then on the other half, we got a half bath. I walked in here for the first time and I thought, no way, because usually these double doors are just pantries, but you actually have a half bath in here, which is really cool. So we'll take a peek through the upstairs. So queen size bed on a slide out. Actually, it's an RV King, excuse me. And then right across from that, you're going to have dressers, storage, and then in the front, you're going to have a nice big bathroom, a big closet. Great place to get ready. Lots of counter space, lots of room. Or it could be just another bedroom in there. I don't know if you can really tell. There's a kind of dark in there, but that closet is huge. This one will be equipped with 2 ACs already on it, so. All right, again, we're in the Cougar 355 FBS, priced at $56,999. So any questions, just give me a call if you want to come and take a peek. 308-384-2040. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.